Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some hacks, tricks and tips on the Hellrazr Nomada. We'll start off with a cooking grate. It's the standard Hellrazr cooking grate, but for the size of this grill, this cooking grate is really pathetic. It's got a big area to cook over, so let's get something in with a bigger surface area. This is a grill grate just out of a cast iron pot belly stove that just sit on top of the fire basket. This is a Plancha from a Kadai gas grill. Remember, never throw any barbecue bits away. So it's got a smooth surface, and also it's got the rib surface. Good bit of kit to cook on, and it fills the Nomada. Next up is this. This is a cast iron grill grate I bought. It's 38 centimeters, 14 inch. All I've done is put 2 grooves in the back and shave this back bit down, because it's 10mm thick, so I've got to get it down to 6mm. As you can see, it just fits in the holder perfectly. Next off is a Santa Maria type grill. This is Dutch's homemade version, and it's got a little grease catcher that slides in. This just helps us to utilise the full cooking area of the Nomada. And now we're going to go for the hanging aspect of the Nomada. This is just a twin meat hook. I've got a couple of them. This is a single meat hook, good for doing a chicken. This is my kebab spike. We've used it in the Traeger, and I think we'll be able to use it on this. Same type of principle. Next up is a beer can chicken holder. I think this will work well because we can get the heat up inside the bird. This is a metal chicken basket, but I reckon we can cut any kind of cuts of meats in this. Comes with a handy tool for lifting off. It can go in any type of position, so we can get a full cook all around the chicken. The next up is going to be a favourite of mine. It's a Kadai bowl with the hanging chains. I can see me doing lots of cooks in this. If you want to become a Dutch crew member, it's free. Just hit that subscribe button below. The card here on the left was chosen especially for you.